We have a new listing in Orchard Hills in Winter Garden, Florida.
Come check it out with us.
Yeah. Ow. Here we are at 14348 White Moss Way, sitting on this lovely porch, feeling the breeze in the beautiful community of Orchard Hills.
Yes, we have a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-level home, lots of great upgrades, and the owners have taken great care of this home, so we can't wait to show you inside.
Let's check it out. Oh, I love this house.
Yes! Everything is so updated and clean.
Yeah. There are so many great features about this house, but right when I walk in, the first thing I notice is how open it is. It's an open floor plan at its best, right? So you come in, you have your living room here, your kitchen over there, and your dining room over there. So no matter what you're doing, everybody's hanging out.
Yeah, what I notice when we come in is I love the upgraded dark floors.
Oh, yeah.
It's such a good complement to all the natural light you have pouring in because there's a ton of windows everywhere and it looks really nice.
Yeah, and then they also have recessed lighting up top, and then it's pre-wired for a speaker system for surround sound as well.
Perfect. One other cool feature that you're going to notice is that they upgraded and got spindles on the staircase, so that just keeps everything open and light and airy. It's awesome.
It's a good house. Here we are in the kitchen, and you know that I love a big island with a nice bar stool.
Oh yeah, because you can enjoy a meal on the beautiful granite countertop. Now you're also going to notice that they have a double sink with an upgraded kitchen faucet. And look at this backsplash, it's so pretty.
Yeah, and take notice of all the storage. You have upper cabinets and then upgraded drawers, a lot of drawers, and I love the color. It's great. Kitchen, check.
Living room, check.
Let's check out the patio. Right off the kitchen is a lanai that the owners have screened in, so it's perfect for entertaining and hanging out.
There is also a private storage room, so any Floridian knows that that is a huge bonus.
Here we are in the beautiful master suite. I want you to take note that it's been freshly painted with the beautiful color of delicate mist. It's awesome. But one of my favorite things about this is the huge closet with custom shelving and drawers throughout.
Yeah, and I'm totally digging the master bath. There is an upgraded vanity that has a lot of storage, a huge soaking tub, and a nice tiled standalone shower. It's really pretty.
And upstairs you'll also notice the laundry room, the full secondary bathroom, and the 2 other bedrooms. This really is a great house and a great community. So if you want to set up your virtual showing or your in-person showing, message us today.
Yes, Mark and Sarah Raumaker, the real estate ninja and the tiny closer with eXp Realty.
Thanks for stopping by.